Hello everyone, my name is Edward Terry and this is our user guide tutorial video for the KeyScience application on Android. First off, I would like to mention my team member Jose Toledo, as well as the product owner Nathan Moyer, and lastly the instructor and mentor Masood Sajadi. For the remainder of this video, I will be guiding you through the different features and pages of the application, so let's just jump right into it. Once the KeyScience application has loaded, you will be met with the home activity, from which you can access each of the app sections. At the top, there is a toolbar, which includes a navigation drawer that can be used to also access each of the app sections. Pressing on any of these sections on either the home activity or the navigation drawer will take you to the following pages. On the home page, you will also see that the CSP Labs section has a drop-down. Pressing on this will enable 4 more cells to appear. Let's view the profile page. Here we can create a user profile as well as log into the profile. The profile contains information such as the username, user bio, total points, and eco-quests completed. There is also a map that shows all eco-quests completed and non-completed. By pressing on the profile image, which is by default loaded as the KeyScience logo, a user can edit their profile. Going back to the user profile, we can scroll down and view the eco-quest game. Scrolling down further, we can view the leaderboards table featuring the users with the most points. To play the EcoQuest game, a player can view the EcoQuest map under their bio. Pressing on any of the rings on the map of Key Biscayne will display an info window that contains information regarding that quest. A player must travel into the ring displayed and seek out the goal for the quest to succeed in gaining points and completing that quest. While playing, it is important for players to be mindful of the environment around them and always proceed with caution. Players with the highest points will appear on the global leaderboard just under the map, in which players will compete to get to the top of the leaderboard. Back to the navigation drawer, the CSP Lab section features a record section, an explore section, a record section, and a review section. The Learn section of the KeyScience app will display a list of presentations and lectures for the Citizen Scientist project. Pressing on any of these items will link you out to the official KeyScience website where more information regarding that lecture will be displayed. The Explore section allows users to interact with a map of Key Biscayne, allowing them to view information regarding the many beaches, coral reefs, green spaces, and more around Key Biscayne. The Record section lets users submit photos taken by their device to the KeyScience app. Photos will require the name of the person making the submission, as well as a title and description of the image. These images will then appear as a pinpoint on the review map. The Review section of the app lets users view photo submissions made by other users as well as their own submissions from the Record section of the app. By clicking on any of these pinpoints on the map, you can pull up any of the photos taken. Back to the navigation drawer, the Programs drop-down includes a multitude of information regarding the KeyScience application, such as the Key Challenge, information regarding water quality and sea level rise, reef restoration and field activities, as well as lecture series. The Events and News section of the application displays up-to-date dynamic content regarding any news and events going on in the area. Clicking on any of the items displayed will show more information regarding the news or event content. The Resources section displays more information about the Key Biscayne organization, as well as newsletters, biomes, partners of the organization, and methods for contacting the Key Biscayne Community Foundation. This is it for now. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to contact us with any questions or concerns. If you're interested in upcoming features, feel free to watch our shortcomings and wishlist video.